Our adoption story starts several years ago when we first began realizing that we needed an adoption attorney. We really didn't know where to turn. It's a hard choice because the reality is that you want to win. You want to protect the child that you are bringing into your home, and that was our main goal. In this case, we had a child that was a family member, and it was a heavily contested adoption, and so we felt that finding someone that could really be competent in her job was important. And so we asked for friends and family to help us locate an adoption attorney that was local to us, that had the skill set that we were looking for, and we were able to find Judy Sartain. And let me tell you, she is fabulous. I could not have picked a better attorney to help us get what we needed done. The adoption process can be grueling. It took us years to get it done. Not because she wasn't working hard on our case, but because the other attorneys just kept throwing more and more, and she knew exactly what to do with it. The bio mother contested our adoption, and without Judy, we would have ended up paying a lot more. And with another attorney, we would have received a less experienced courtroom experience, and it would have ended poorly. Judy's courtroom skills are out of this world. She delivered an hour-and-a-half closing statement to the judge that covered every single point that eventually won us the termination of the mother's rights. Without that, we would not be where we are today. Even other attorneys that were present said how competent she was and how much they had learned from her just by watching this case. And it was, gosh, I think we were in court over the course of several months, going back and forth. We ended up, I think, with 6 courtroom days. 6, that's a lot. It was grueling. The judge ended up ruling from the bench, which is extremely rare. That just doesn't happen often. And when he delivered his termination, he covered all of the points that Ms. Sartain covered in detail. Judy fought hard for us, and I don't feel like we could have found another attorney that could have delivered the same results as what we have with Ms. Sartain. We are forever grateful.